It's Sonia, and you're over 50 makeup skincare gal, and I am here to show you how to make your own BB cream at home. And then you get skincare benefits of your BB cream, which is amazing. You don't have to go buy your own BB cream. You can make it yourself. So grab your foundation and maybe a serum or your moisturizer, either one, and you can make your own, and you get this beautiful coverage that's very light, and you get skincare benefits the entire time. So I am going to show you what I do to make mine. Now my makeup is a little bit different. So it's a cream. So it's not a liquid that I'm going to mix, but it's a cream, and I'll just show you how I'll do it. And I'm actually going to mix my serum. This is a skincare line that I've been using that I love, and I'm gonna mix it with my serum, and then I'm just gonna get all the benefits, all the goodness of the makeup I love and the skincare that I love at the same time. If you're joining me, say hello. I would super appreciate it. And if you comment K Beauty, I will send you a link to get a skincare link to my skincare quiz, and you can take it to see if you would like this skincare or not. And I don't know, but maybe if you comment match me, I can match you to the makeup too. I don't know if I have that one hooked up, but regardless, if you're watching on the replay, it will be hooked up for sure. So, because then I can match you to you be like, oh, I want to do this. This is so simple, and it fits in one compact. This is a magnetic compact, and I'm going to take my main shade. So I said this is a little bit different. So I got to take my finger and scrape it out, and then I'm going to take the serum and I'm going to mix it in. This is so good. I did this yesterday, like I said, with my moisturizer, and also have like a little bit of a fluffy brush there. And by the end, later on, I looked at my makeup and I was like, oh my gosh, I love this. So I'm going to first scoop out a little bit of my main shade, and we're going to mix it on your hand like so. And so I'm going to take my serum, and I'm just going to put a little baby drop like so, and we'll see what kind of mixture we get. So just get it on your hand and kind of mix in whatever you like. So if you're wanting moisturizer, if you're feeling dry too, this is a really great way to get a little bit of extra moisturizer, but you're still getting coverage. Or maybe you're just like, I really don't want to do a lot of makeup today. Whatever your reason is, you have everything right in your house. So I'm going to mix this on my hand, and then I am going to take it, and then I'm going to sweep it on my face like so. But I'm really going to take my brush, and I'm going to take it like this, and then I'm going to take it off of my hand. And then we'll just put it on my face like that. And then we'll see if I got enough on my hand to put all over my face. Okay, so I would do tapping and not a lot of sweeping no matter what you're doing. I feel like you're going to get better coverage and a better look than what you will if you do a lot of sweeping, except the words are, especially with mature skin. I feel like we have a little bit of that air coming out of the balloon with our skin. I'm not trying to be negative, but you know, your skin's it's a little bit wiggly. So if you take it and do a little bit more tapping, you're going to like your coverage better. And I did not make enough of what I just made. So we're going to do a little tiny bit more. I'm going to take a little bit more of my serum, and I'm going to mix in my main highlight shade. But I think I'm going to throw in a little bit of bronzer for the heck of it. You can do this too. If you have a cream bronzer, then you can do it, or a liquid bronzer. Do they make liquid bronzers? I don't know. And then mix it on your hand, and then again, tap in, and then that way you can get exactly the amount you want where you want. There we go. Now we're getting it. I'm even going to put it under my eyes because I'm not going to do any extra. I'm not going to go in and worry about concealing my under eyes or anything like that. I'm going to use this for that. I'll flip over my brush like so. And this is just, look at the finish that you get. It's so hydrated looking. And if, like I said, if you have hydrated skin, if you're menopausal or you live in a climate that your skin is dry, this is going to be something that you're going to like to do. Okay, so that is on. I'm liking it a lot. And then I think I'm just going to put a little bit of bronzer and maybe just a tiny, tiny bit of blush, and we're going to call it good. So if you would want something like this, like I said, we have all different size palettes. let's pretend this is a 4. You can fit in 4. Hi guys. You can fit in 4. So you could do your main highlight shade and your bronzer and maybe a lip and cheek and a contour, whatever you wanted to do in a 4. And then again, you grab your moisturizer or your serum, and then you could do, you don't have to make a BB cream, but it's just an idea, something that on light days, or like I said, if you're feeling dry, mixing in the skincare gives you even more of those. Hi, West Virginia. Hi, Cynthia. It gives you even more of that skincare benefits with your makeup, so which is super great. All right, I'm going to take a little bit of bronzer, and I'm going to put it on my forehead and my cheeks, just on the other places. It's not working out very well. West Virginia, what's the weather like in West Virginia? Because it is cold here today. I mean, it is cold. I'm getting frustrated, but it's okay. We're just getting into spring here, and we're in Ohio. It's fine. It's fine. It'll be fine. All right, I'm going to use a shade that is really amazing. Hi, Mary. That is really amazing for just, again, that really simple look. It's called Frenchie. It's great for the blue on the under eyes, that under eye darkness, but it's great for just a simple color or simple makeup day. Again, these are all creams, so I'm still getting that really pretty skin-like look with not much effort and with not much makeup. The older I'm getting, the less makeup that I'm wearing, and I'm focusing on makeup and skincare probably equally, which is a lot more than what I did before. I didn't really focus on skincare till I was like in my 50s because I didn't know. I don't think any of us knew. We just didn't know. Okay, and that's it. That's all I'm doing for my makeup look today. So right here on my high points of my cheeks, and then a little bit on the apple of the cheek right there, and that's going to be it, and I am done. So you could have just gotten all of that out of the simplest palette and even have an extra color in there. So you could have done a matte shade, a bronzer, a lip and cheek, and then I don't love putting powders and creams together, but you could even put like eyeshadows, or if you're like, I kind of like to powder after I get done, you can do a powder too. These are all magnetic and they're so easy to swap out. Oh, Cynthia, so she, 59 was when Mary started skincare. Cynthia's saying she saw what I did yesterday with the BB cream, and she did it today, and she liked the coverage. I'm going to be honest with you, I was a little surprised yesterday how well I like the coverage, because I am a detail person when it comes to skincare, like placing things in specific colors, and I put something all over my face, and I really liked it though. So, all right. I'm going to go. Grandkids are here. Today is Tuesday, and I watch grandkids on Tuesday. I put them, yes, Nana put them in front of iPads today, and just for a little bit. They've only been there for about 15 minutes, and we're going to go down, and we're going to do a little snack and maybe play with the marble run, and then we are going to start supper. So there's always something to do. Again, you can comment on here, K-Beauty, or match me, then I can give you a match to your makeup. Or I can give you my skincare quiz, and you can get matched to that, and you can kind of look at it and get a little information. All right. See you guys. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it.